Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into a topic that's stirring up discussions in defense circles worldwide: how India is countering the threat of stealth jets from China and Pakistan. India has been a key player in the South Asian defense landscape for decades. With evolving geopolitical dynamics, the need to stay ahead in military technology has never been more critical. One significant threat comes from stealth fighter jets, which are designed to evade radar detection. Let's talk about how India is stepping up its game to counter this. First off, stealth jets are like the ninjas of the sky. They use advanced technology to reduce their radar cross-section, making them nearly invisible to conventional radar systems. China's Chengdu J-20 and Pakistan's potential acquisition of stealth technology pose significant challenges. So, what's India doing about it? Enter UHF and VHF band radars. These radar systems operate at lower frequencies than traditional radar, which makes detecting stealth aircraft more feasible. Stealth technology primarily works against higher frequency radar bands, so by developing UHF and VHF radars, India aims to spot these elusive jets before they get too close. India's Defense Research and Development Organization, or DRDO, is at the forefront of this technological leap. They've been working tirelessly on advanced radar systems like the Swordfish and the Green Pine. These radars are part of India's ballistic missile defense program, but are being adapted for air defense roles. Moreover, India isn't stopping at radar. The country is investing heavily in integrated air defense systems. These systems bring together various defense mechanisms, including surface-to-air missiles, anti-aircraft guns, and early warning sensors, creating a multi-layered shield. It's like building a fortress in the sky where each layer adds an extra level of protection. But technology alone isn't enough. Training and strategy play crucial roles too. The Indian Air Force conducts regular exercises to refine their tactics against stealth threats. These drills simulate real-world scenarios, ensuring that pilots and ground crew are always prepared. International partnerships also come into play. Collaborations with countries like Israel and the United States have given India access to cutting-edge technology and expertise. The joint development of air defense systems and sharing of best practices bolster India's defensive capabilities. In summary, India's approach to countering stealth jets is multifaceted. From pioneering radar technology to robust air defense systems and strategic training, India is ensuring it stays ahead of the curve. As the dynamics of aerial warfare evolve, India's proactive measures highlight its commitment to national security and regional stability. That's all for today's video. If you found this insightful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more updates on global defense strategies. Thanks for watching and see you next time.